The 2025 Chevy Chevelle 396 is a powerful reimagining of a classic American muscle car, combining nostalgic design cues with modern performance and technology. For car enthusiasts and Chevy fans alike, this model brings back the spirit of the original Chevelle while also setting new standards in engineering and style. The 2025 version of the Chevelle 396 takes inspiration from its 1960s predecessor, maintaining the muscular stance and aggressive lines that made the Chevelle iconic. However, it also incorporates contemporary aerodynamic elements and refined detailing, making it both a tribute and an upgrade. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevy Chevelle 396 is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 500 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. This powerful engine provides the raw muscle that the Chevelle name is known for, while modernized components such as direct fuel injection and an advanced exhaust system help maximize efficiency without compromising performance. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for enthusiasts who crave a hands-on driving experience or a smooth 10-speed automatic, this engine enables the Chevelle to hit 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, a testament to its power and modern engineering. Inside, the 2025 Chevelle 396 offers a driver-focused cabin that combines vintage touches with the latest in automotive technology, leather-trimmed seats, a classic hearse shifter in the manual version, and retro-inspired gauges pay homage to the 1960s model. Yet, a fully digital instrument cluster, an infotainment system with a large touchscreen, and advanced connectivity options bring the car firmly into the 21st century. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's proprietary driver assist features make the Chevelle's interior as convenient and high-tech as it is stylish, creating a balance between nostalgia and innovation. In terms of handling, Chevy has equipped the 2025 Chevelle 396 with a sophisticated suspension system. Adaptive dampers and a limited slip differential ensure that, despite its muscle car roots, the Chevelle is as capable on winding roads as it is on straightaways. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating sharp curves, the car's handling remains precise and responsive, while upgraded brakes ensure reliable stopping power. The 2025 Chevy Chevelle 396 is more than just a nod to the past, it's a testament to the evolution of muscle cars. By integrating modern performance, technology, and safety features with classic design, Chevy has crafted a vehicle that honors the heritage of the Chevelle while meeting the demands of today's drivers.